This business idea costs less than $400 to start, needs zero experience, and you can land your first paying customer this week. Not next month, this week. No inventory, no storefront, no employees. Just you, one piece of equipment, and driveways all over America that desperately need it. I'm going to show you exactly what the business is, what it actually pays, and the exact first 3 steps to get your first client, even if you've never run a business in your life. W8 investment matters right now. Here's why this matters in 2026 specifically. Most Americans don't have thousands of dollars sitting around to gamble on a franchise or a storefront lease. Inflation's still elevated, credit card debt is at record highs, and the idea of risking $20,000 on a business that might fail is terrifying for most people. That's exactly why the winning move right now isn't a big swing. It's a small, low-risk business you can start with money you already have that starts paying you back within days, not years. The idea, mobile pressure washing. The idea. Mobile pressure washing. You show up to someone's house with a pressure washer and clean their driveway, sidewalk, deck, siding, or fence. That's it. That's the whole business. It sounds almost too simple to be profitable. But here's why it works so well. Every homeowner in America has surfaces that get dirty, mossy, or stained, and almost none of them own a pressure washer or want to spend their Saturday doing this themselves. You're not selling a product. You're selling back somebody's weekend. Numbers. Let's talk real numbers. A decent gas-powered pressure washer costs $250 to $400. Add some surface cleaner attachments and basic chemicals, and you're fully equipped for under $500 total. A single driveway job typically pays $100 to $250, depending on size. A full house wash, siding included, can run $300 to $600. Even doing just 2 jobs a day, 3 days a week, that's roughly $1,200 to $2,000 a week in revenue, with almost no ongoing costs besides gas and the occasional cleaning solution. Compare that to a $500 investment recouped inside your very first week. That's a payback speed almost no other business idea can match. Low investment ideas. You'll see a lot of low investment ideas online: dropshipping, reselling, print on demand. Most of them either need you to master paid advertising or you're competing against 1,000 other people doing the exact same thing online. Pressure washing is different for one big reason: it's local and physical. You're not fighting for attention in a crowded online marketplace. You're the only pressure washing truck that showed up on someone's street this week. Local competition is thin. The work is visibly obvious the moment it's done, which means instant referrals from neighbors who see the results. And there's no algorithm deciding whether anyone sees your offer. Here's exactly how to start. Step 1. Get the equipment. A mid-range gas pressure washer from a hardware store, plus a surface cleaner attachment for driveways. That's your entire toolkit. Step 2. Post in your local community. A Facebook neighborhood group, next door, or a simple flyer on doors near you. Before and after photos sell this business better than any pitch you could write, even from your very first practice job on a friend's driveway. Step 3. Price your first few jobs slightly below market to build reviews fast. Think $80 to $100 for a driveway instead of $150. Once you have 5-star reviews and before and afters, you raise your prices to full rate, because now you're not an unknown. You're the guy in the neighborhood with proof. Within 2 to 3 weekends, most people running this exact playbook have their first handful of paying clients and a growing list of referrals. I'm not going to pretend this is perfect. It's physical work. You're outside, sometimes in heat, sometimes rescheduling around rain. It doesn't scale into a laptop lifestyle business by itself. If you want to grow past just you'll eventually need to hire help or buy a second rig. And it's seasonal in colder states. You'll do more volume in spring and summer than in the dead of winter. But none of that changes the core math. For under $500, almost no experience, and work you can book starting this week, it's one of the fastest ways to create real income most people will find in 2026. So to recap, mobile pressure washing. Under $500 to start. $100 to $600 per job. Local competition is thin, the results sell themselves, and you can have your first paying client before next weekend. It's not glamorous, and it won't make you a billionaire overnight. But if you're looking for the fastest, lowest risk way to start making real money on the side in 2026, this is genuinely one of the best options out there. If you want the next video to be the exact scripts and pricing sheet you can literally copy for your first 10 customers, let me know in the comments. And hit subscribe so you don't miss it.